Then just bring them, instead of using Instaform, bring them to a landing page.
I would test because the Instaform are kind of working. I would test that. Now you can bring them to a landing page. I'll show you an example. I'll show you, and this is like what we do. I'm going to show you a couple examples of HVAC landing pages that we've done. So yeah, you can bring them to a landing page. I would just make sure you've got like some qualifying questions. Can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
And I'll text this to you as well, but I would make sure you got some qualifying questions. Is this like a new installation or repair? What type of system it is, system size. I know it's a little edgy, but we do like an estimated monthly payment here just to help get the lead cost down. And then you can get a little bit more details here, right? Property owner within a month. And then we've got the opt-in page. So this is the example of the opt-in page. We did this in Lander Lab, which is a really cool landing page builder. It doesn't have all like the clunkiness of WordPress and Elementor. And then you put in your address, put in your state, right? And Lander Lab now supports OTP2 out of the box. So you click submit, and then it's gonna send me a 4-digit code to put my phone number in, and then that would submit the lead to you. The only thing with this process is I think you would probably need to set up something like Zapier to connect to Service Titan to be able to post the lead. So there would be a little bit of like technical lift to be able to do all that.